Hi, my name is Caroline Rhodes and I have 30 years experience in health and wellness. I have created an online course that combines emotional freedom technique, and it's a course specifically designed for women. This course is a step-by-step approach to attracting the kind of relationship you would like to have in your life. Whether you're single or married, there's so many ways we can enhance our relationships using EFT. This also includes self-love and acceptance, having great self-esteem, embracing our body image, and how we show up in the world to be able to have the best relationships possible. In the workshop, we also work on traumas and how we can reprogram these traumas. EFT is so effective in helping us to get over these traumas without having to relive the experience. It's a very gentle approach. We have childhood traumas and we have traumas that occur later, but the traumas that we have in our lives can actually set up roadblocks to achieving happiness and a fulfilling relationship that we all deserve to have. The other thing that I think is so important is I help you get back your feminine energy. And this is so important because it really is how we can express ourselves in ways that men will gravitate towards. Sometimes people ask me, well, why are you creating this course for women? And the way I see it is that it's women who really set the parameters of the relationship, and as women we raise our children, and we want them to have a healthy view about themselves, about love, and about sex and sexuality. These are all very important. Studies show that in order to have a long, happy life, we need to be able to have a very healthy sexual practice. Along with this course, you can also reach out to me privately if you're interested in having private sessions over video chat or even live.